Hello everybody, welcome to week 3. I'm here on the assignments page on Canvas, and you'll see of course that we've got Wednesday's discussion posting, and we're reading chapter 1, the overview. Now I gave you a good overview by assigning chapter 9, I know that. Now we're going just a little bit deeper as we get into chapter 1. And I divided it up so you won't have to read the whole chapter by Wednesday, but you will need to by Friday. And be sure to read the responding instructions before you respond. And of course, Friday, the reading questions are due. You'll see something new here on the assignments page. The first short writing assignment, just 2 paragraphs, but 2 really important paragraphs because they're going to drive much of your writing for the semester. So do some thinking. Don't do any research. This is something that's going to come strictly out of your own life and your own thinking. You've got to pick a problem, a specific problem, one that doesn't have an obvious solution, and one that doesn't require an immediate solution, because Chevalier says that his system isn't for problems that need an immediate solution, ones that need study and thinking and analysis. That's what he's talking about. And here's what I'm talking about. Your idea of a problem that you'd like to focus on could be global, although be careful about how big you go. If it gets too broad, it might be hard to talk about it in any depth. But that said, yeah, you could pick one. Oh, global warming, for instance, might be too big by itself, but you could take some area of global warming and have a good chance at understanding it better. Drought in sub-Saharan Africa. There's another one. You can get specific if you're going to do a global problem. Regional one, okay, California wildfires, water shortage, and so on. Or San Diego County problems. Quality of life, civic engagement, the urban environment, those are just examples to think about. Then something specific, a specific problem. Or you could be a decision you have to make in your life. A place to live, a degree program, means of transportation, major purpose, purchase, personal project. Okay, now give it some thought. Like I said, it's pretty important. It's going to drive your writing through the rest of the semester. Okay, got a to-do list here for you. Follow it carefully. And in that first paragraph you're going to write, right here on Canvas, by the way, discuss the problem, describe it first, pinpoint it. And the first paragraph, you're going to clearly identify the problem as you get that going. 5 to 7 sentences in that first paragraph. Your second paragraph should start with a sentence that points out why anybody else would care about this problem, and then explain more fully in 5 to 7 sentences. So give Google a day off. We're looking at your interest, your thinking, and what's got your attention these days. And don't worry about solving the problem. If it's a problem that had an instant solution, it wouldn't be worth writing about now, would it? And be sure to follow all these. Right here, you'll see a submit button once you start typing, but you'll see a text box. So go ahead and type your 2 paragraphs and then hit the submit button. And you will see a place on the modules page if you want to see how I evaluate all writing for this class. So that's it. It's due next Monday, September 11th. And let me know if you have questions. We have a place on the discussions page for doing that, and the chat room if you do have a question about the assignment. And good luck. Try to enjoy it, but do some careful thinking as well. Thanks.